Welcome to my channel, BodyTalk. The brain is an intricate organ that governs all bodily functions, including thought, memory, emotion, touch, motor skills, vision, respiration, temperature, hunger, and every bodily function. Let's discuss the weight of the brain. The average adult's brain weighs roughly 3 pounds and is composed of 60% fat. Water, protein, carbs, and salts make up the remaining 40%. The brain is not a muscle in and of itself. It has nerves, including neurons and glial cells, as well as blood vessels. It's time to explore the many parts of the brain. The brain can be broadly separated into 3 parts: the cerebellum, brainstem, and cerebrum. No one. The cerebral cortex, or gray matter, and the white matter at its core, make up the cerebrum, or front of the brain. The cerebrum, the largest region of the brain, controls body temperature and starts and directs movement. Speech, judgment, logic, problem-solving, emotions, and learning are all made possible by other parts of the cerebrum. Vision, hearing, touch, and other senses are related to other functions. No. 2. Brainstem, center part of the brain, or brainstem, joins the spinal cord with the cerebrum. The medulla, pons, and midbrain are all parts of the brainstem. The midbrain with a variety of distinct neuron clusters, nuclei, and colliculi, neuronal pathways, and other structures. The midbrain, also known as the mesencephalon, is an extremely complex organ. These characteristics help in hearing movement, reaction, calculation, and environmental changes, among other things. The substantia nigra, a region of the midbrain that is impacted by Parkinson's disease and is home to a large number of dopamine neurons, as well as the basal ganglia, which facilitate movement and coordination, is also located there. Pons, 4 of the 12 cranial nerves, which allow for a variety of functions like eating, blinking, concentrating eyesight, balance, hearing, and facial expression, originate in the pons, which connects the midbrain with the medulla, gets its name from the Latin word meaning bridge. Medulla, the junction of the brain and spinal cord, is located at the base of the brainstem. Survival depends on the medulla. The medulla controls a wide range of physiological processes, including as blood flow, respiration, heart rhythm, and the levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Spinal cord. The spinal cord passes through a sizable aperture in the base of the skull after emerging from the base of the medulla. The spinal cord, which is held up by the vertebrae, transmits and receives messages between the brain and the body. No. 3. Cerebellum, the cerebellum, also known as the little brain, is a fist-sized section of the brain situated above the brainstem and under the temporal and occipital lobes. It has 2 hemispheres, just like the cerebral cortex. The inner region interacts with the cerebral cortex, whereas the outside part is home to neurons. Its duties include maintaining posture, balance, and equilibrium, as well as coordinating voluntary muscle movements. Below are the brain's lobes. The frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital lobes are the 4 portions that make up each of the brain's hemispheres, or the cerebrum. Specific functions are controlled by each lobe. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for more interesting videos like this.